In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SendPulse to kickstart your email marketing journey. If you're a beginner, email marketing is a great place to start, and SendPulse makes it easy with its user-friendly platform. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get started. First things first, you'll want to create your mailing list. Think of this as your audience. These are the people who will receive your emails. You begin by signing into SendPulse and navigating to the Mailing Lists section. Here you'll have the option to create a new mailing list. Give your list a name that helps you easily identify it, perhaps something related to the campaign or the type of audience it includes. It's essential to keep your list organized, especially as it grows over time. Once your mailing list is set up, the next step is adding subscribers. You can do this by manually entering email addresses, uploading a file, or even using subscription forms that collect emails automatically from your website or other platforms. The platform makes it simple to import contacts, ensuring you can quickly build a substantial list. Remember to focus on acquiring quality subscribers who are genuinely interested in your content or offerings, as this will greatly impact the effectiveness of your campaigns. Now, with your mailing list and subscribers in place, it's time to create your email. SendPulse offers a fantastic drag-and-drop email builder, which is perfect for anyone who might not be too tech-savvy. It's intuitive and allows you to construct professional-looking emails with ease. You can start by selecting one of the templates available. There's a variety to choose from, depending on the purpose of your email, whether it's a newsletter, promotional content, or an announcement. Customize the template to fit your branding and message. Be sure to include relevant images, links, and concise, engaging text that will capture your audience's attention. Once your email design is complete, you're ready to send it out. Head over to the Campaign section, where you'll select the mailing list you want to target. After choosing the appropriate recipients, review your email one more time to ensure everything looks perfect. This is a critical step because once an email is sent, it can't be undone. So, check for any typos or errors and verify all the links are working correctly. After your email campaign is sent, the final step is to check the results. SendPulse provides detailed campaign statistics that allow you to see who opened your emails, what links were clicked, and much more. This feedback is invaluable as it helps you understand what content resonates with your audience and guides future improvements. Email verification is also a useful feature to ensure your mailing list remains clean and efficient by removing invalid addresses. And there you have it, a complete overview of using SendPulse to get started with email marketing. By following these steps, you can effectively reach your audience and start building meaningful connections through email. Good luck, and